Hi there, Vinny from Project Frugal. Welcome, Frugalists. Denise has bought another $1,000 worth of shares. What she bought this time, well, it's a bit of a trick. Not really. But let's check it out anyway. Here we are again. Let's have a look at this market buy that Denise purchased this morning, $1,090.66. The $1,000 for the regular investment, the $90.66 that was in the wallet existing, all put onto Westpac Banking Corporation. And the reason is it dropped yesterday, so it's up a little bit today, so that's all good. And we can see the ladder progressing. We're up to $17,186.27. We'll just have a look at the chart here, and we'll have a look at the last month, because you can see a month ago, if we go back a month, 8th of November, 8th of December today, we're up $324. We fast forward a month, and there was a major drop on the 29th of November where the portfolio was down $272.21, below the $16,000 invested at the point in time there. So you can see if we just carry on here and we get up to here, just creeping up yesterday, up $14.81 overall, not ideal. And if we go here, well, we're up $186.27, so that's a great result on the last final day there. Phew. Let's go and have a look and look at the portfolio itself. We'll just scroll down a little bit there. So 13 stocks all up, lots of pretty colours, amazing. So that's all good. And if we go and have a look at the actual portfolio here, so here we go, $17,186.27. So like I said, today's gain $179.85, which is really good. Unfortunately, what that's done is because Westpac went ex-dividend on the 5th of November, it's actually skewed the numbers on my custom application here. So realistically, that's roughly about $19, something like that. So where it says December, the dividends to get paid out $119.64, that's realistically about $100. But that's okay. So another $100 in December for dividends coming up, which will be fantastic. Let's go into the dividends and have a look. So you can see already in December there's $90 being paid out. If we're saying that we've got another $100, that's going to boost it up significantly. That'll be $190 in December. Roughly about $460 for since the portfolio started, which is great. That will really help now that we've got that sort of balance there. Let's go and have a look at the share allocation. Half of the portfolio is in financial services, so we've got 3 banks. We've got Barramundi, Kingfisher, Marlin Global, investing in Australian stocks, New Zealand stocks and world stocks. The 3 financial companies there, all owned by Fisher Funds. And the ANZ Bank, Westpac Bank and Heartland Bank, all part of this portfolio. 13 stocks in total, 6 of those stocks being financial stocks, which indicates why there's such a heavy weighting in financial services. So maybe we probably need to balance that out a little bit and maybe get another, I don't know, maybe another 3 or 4 stocks, but at this stage it doesn't really matter. So the main thing is just to carry on investing in this portfolio. So if we go and have a look at the NZX 50 charts just to see how things have progressed. So this week has been a good week. Over the fortnight, basically the market's done nothing in terms of the overall NZX 50. For the month, the market has dropped. And for the 6 months, you can see that we're in a downhill pattern here. So I'm hoping that the market's going to pick up again once this COVID thing blows over, hopefully sooner rather than later. And for the year, good highs back in the start of the year. The market dropped, it went back up, it's on a decline. It's probably going to pretty much break even, I'd imagine. I'm expecting that it might go up a little bit over the course of this month, but we'll just have to wait and see. And really, hey, I've got no control over this, and Denise certainly doesn't have any control over it either. So that's where we're at, up $186.27 overall on the entire portfolio, with a balance of over $17,000, which is pretty good. Not far away, another 6 weeks should be up to $20,000, which will be a fifth of the way there to this portfolio goal. That about wraps it up for this episode. Hope you've enjoyed it. Hope you've learnt something. Maybe you have, maybe you haven't, but I hope you enjoyed it anyway. So we'll see you in the next episode as part of this series on the road to 100k, and have an awesome day. We'll see you later. Bye bye.